Hi friends, this video shows how to backup data to laptop. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system, select about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find developer options. Select it. These are the list of developer options. From this list, let me enable this USB debugging or ADB debugging. Let me enable. Done. After this, let me go to laptop. In laptop, we need to install one tool. See, we need to install this ADB tool. So we can download this zip file from internet, then extract it, and inside that you can see adb.exe. From this path we need to open command prompt. See, I already opened command prompt here. From here we can run commands. Before that we need to connect this laptop to TV using USB cable. See, I already connected this laptop to TV using USB cable. Then you can click here and check for this USB. If you see this USB, that means we have successfully connected this laptop to TV. Okay. Next I am going to take the backup. See, here you can see lot of commands, but in this video we are going to concentrate only on these two commands, backup and restore. First I am going to take backup of all data from this TV to laptop. This is a command, and here you can see the output file, backup file. Let me run this command. Copy this, go to terminal, paste, then enter. See, here in TV you can see new window. Here go down, then select this backup my data option that you can see on the bottom right corner. Set it. See, now backup starting. Okay, backup finished. Next I am going to check this file, backup file. Go to this folder. Here you can see that backup file. Here you can see the size of that file. Okay, this way we can take backup. After this backup, if you want, you can hard reset this TV or device or factory reset. Then later you can restore this data. So that is the use of this backup and restore. Next I will show you how we can restore. Let me go to this file. Here you can see the restore command, adb restore, then backup file. Copy this, go to command prompt, paste, enter. Again you can see new window here. Go down, from bottom right corner select restore my data. See, restore starting, restore ended. Okay, so this way we can backup all data to laptop, then later restore. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.